One of the best icebreakers that I heard was from a guy named Sebastian, and I was very new to my club and I saw this guy get up on stage and deliver a story about how he was bullied as an overweight teenager in school, all the struggles he had and how he almost wanted to go and commit suicide. That was a very tough thing to take in a Toastmaster environment. He talks about his journey of how he overcame all these issues to be where he was today, which is standing in front of us. And if you could be there, you could see the results of this guy who decided to step up, do something about his life and shed all the weight, and just how confident he felt. Hey, this is Gagan Singh from London, Athenians Toastmaster, and an icebreaker is really your chance to tell your club who you are. It's the first speech you deliver, so I suggest you take a few rolls before you take on your icebreaker challenge. There isn't really a right time to do this. You just have to sign up, ask your senior members, ask your mentors, look online, you're watching this video, you're doing great. Just sign up for an icebreaker. You'll never be ready to deliver your first speech. You just gotta sign up, deliver it. Here's the thing, if you're not happy with it, you can always deliver it again. I do have some ideas I can quickly share with you to deliver your icebreaker. A timeline view is one of the ways to lay out your icebreaker. How does it work? Well, you were somewhere before you started Toastmaster, you are somewhere right now, and you're going somewhere. So where were you? Where are you now? And where are you going? Is a really good way to look at the icebreaker in a timeline view. So I remember my icebreaker, which was, I was born in a remote town in India, then my journey to London and my whole family moving to England, and this is where I want to go in the future, which is having a business. I've always wanted to be in a business, and that was my icebreaker. It's a really simple way of telling everyone, hey, these are my value systems. These are the extreme things that I care about. Maybe your hobby is fishing, maybe you're really into your religion. Whatever that is, this is your chance to tell people, remember me by this. This is actually a real story. One of my friends had this. He was born in Slovakia, went through a really tough time, moved to England, and he didn't have any money whatsoever. And he was sitting on a park bench and he was saying, you know what, I need something from my life. And he decided to work hard and hard and hard. And within 5 years, he had a 4-bedroom house, I believe it was, in London. And he was working for Gumtree when I knew him. So what a nice way to go before, now, and after. So that's one way of looking at your icebreaker. Another way is to just go, you know what, these are the extremes of what I believe in, my value systems, my hobbies, whatever you're into, tell them this is your chance. So whenever we're thinking about you next time, we go, okay, I know what this guy is about, I know what this girl is about. So I hope that video was enjoyable for you. Good luck delivering your icebreaker. And if you like more of these videos about Toastmaster, make sure to subscribe my channel because there are 100,000 odd members. It might be difficult to find me again. So I wish you well and I'll see you in the next video.